slip through my fingers, yeah. Just like the earth beneath fell away, and this blinding flash of memories played before my eyes, and all I saw was you, hey. And all I saw was you.
All work and no play leave your dog bored, frustrated, and anxious. Like kids, your dog needs exercises and your company. So what should you do when you know that you need to spend all day working hard? And what's the best way to offer your dog the fun, stimulating, and exciting exercise that she needs? Well, we have an easy and super exciting answer to these questions. Now meet Wicked Bone, a bone-shaped interactive gaming device that performs like a truly smart, fun, and wonderfully wicked companion of your dog. It couldn't be more exciting, really. Wicked Bone is really easy to use. Just download the Wicked Bone app and connect via Bluetooth, and you can start playing with your dog. Move it with its virtual joystick. Wicked Bone feels just like any other video game. Wicked Bone's 9 preset motions are able to constantly keep your dog highly focused. The interactive mode is perfect for the moments when you're busy doing something important. When the interactive mode is activated, it is wired to guide your dog to play with it. Wicked Bone acts responsively to different types of touch based on its original emotional system, always in a playful manner that keeps up with your dog's mood and reactions. Wicked Bone lets you choose or set different modes to play indoors and outdoors. And you could even play it without looking at your phone. The FDA class material of Wicked Bone's body, cover, and the tires are certified, safe for humans and pets. Charged once for 1 hour, Wicked Bone lasts for 40 minutes in the drive mode, over 4 hours in the interactive mode, and 3 months in sleep mode. The replaceable tires are easy to clean and quick to put together. Simple, smart, efficient, and wickedly fun. Wicked Bone makes exciting days of health, happiness, and play be only one click away from you and your dog.
Better sleep is linked to better health. That's why we created Sleep, an advanced sensor designed to help you understand and improve your sleep quality so you can know your nights and master your days. There's nothing to wear. Sleep fits discreetly under the mattress. After an easy one-time setup, it's ready to track your sleep night after night. Based on your movements, breathing rate, and heart rate, Sleep analyzes your sleep phases: light, deep, and REM sleep. Every morning you wake to a complete view of your night in the free HealthMate app. You'll also see your nightly sleep score. Since a good night's sleep is much more than how long you sleep, the score can give you insight into the overall quality of your sleep. The sensor takes 6 factors into account: duration, which tells you your total time spent sleeping; depth, summarizes the restorative phases spent in deep and REM sleep; regularity, compares your bedtimes and wake-up times; interruptions, whether from a pet, loud neighbor, or even your own kids, it's counted; and then time it took for you to fall asleep and time it took for you to get up. All of these factors will go into your score, and the best possible score is 100. Sleep also shows your overnight heart rate, and it detects snoring, so you can see episodes and their duration in the HealthMate app. Since snoring does not affect the sleep score, you can disable snoring detection in the app at any time. Then there's coaching. Sleep Smarter is a free in-app program created in collaboration with a leading American researcher in sleep medicine and neurology. Working with the data from your sensor, this 8-week program offers personalized advice that can help you develop healthier sleep patterns. Sleep has an added bonus for people who enjoy making their home automation dreams come true. The sensor features IFT compatibility, so that you can control other smart products and services just by getting into and out of bed. From adjusting the thermostat, muting your phone, or turning the lights off or on, the possibilities are endless. So, feeling sleepy yet? Here's to more good nights and even better days.
You got me trapped inside this spell. Now I feel like your demons drag me close to hell. I can feel that. I can feel them.